Shafia. Today I am going to talk about 5 important tips that is going to be very useful for your forthcoming CBSE board exams for 10th standard and 12th standard students. Despite writing very nicely and presenting very nicely in board exams, still there are bright chances that you may lose some marks, and I am going to talk about a few ideas or tips that will be very useful for you to score set. The first exam for 10th itself is mathematics. So let us follow a few tips for to help students secure higher marks. Here are 5 key tips for writing perfect answers. See, first you are going to attempt multiple choice questions, MCQs. Always mention the question number. Write the chosen option also, A or B or C, either one option along with the question number you have to write. Also include what is stated in the option. So question number MCQ attend now for basically for CBSE students. Write the question numbers along with the options, and also what is mentioned in the option should be included. That is the tip number 1. Don't just write A or B or C and leave it off. Please write the question number, write the options, and also include the what is stated in the option. Second, we'll go to the subjective questions. It is going to be 3 marks or 5 marks. You start by writing given. You have to at least start பண்ணனும்னா given அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இல்லாட்டி what to find or what to prove. So அந்த சம்ல வந்து what to find இல்ல what to prove இல்ல given என்று சொல்லிட்டு subjective question is 3 marks or 5 marks க்கு ஆரம்பிங்க. Then mention the formula in the box. So box fully you have to mention the formula very clearly and neatly. Perform calculation step by step, one calculation per line, and underline or box your final answers. So step by step follow பண்ணிட்டு final answer ஒரு boxல போடுங்க. formula startingல boxல போடுங்க. Don't forget to write the question number, given இல்ல என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போறீங்க what to prove ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு step by step ஒரே ஸ்டெப் வந்து ஒரே லைன்ல எழுதாம follow step by step pattern, and at last mention the inside the box what is the answer. That will give a very good clarity. Third tip is a construction or diagrams. So construction diagrams are going to construct the diagrams. Any construction made by the student should be indicated separately. So you have to separately indicate, and diagram should be drawn in the designated construction area. So they would have given you a designated construction area. அதுக்கு செப்பரேட்டா ஒரு டெசிக்னேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. பேப்பர்ல ஏதும் அங்கதான் டிராயிங் பண்ணிட்டு மார்க்கிங் பண்ணணும். Fourth tip is use of pencil for diagrams. All diagrams, graphs, underlines and boxed answers must be done using a pencil. So pencil use பண்ணுங்க எதுக்குங்க for all diagrams, for all the graphs, underlines பண்ணதுக்கெல்லாம் use the pencils. Boxed answers must be done using a pencil. எழுதி முடிச்சோம். We are going to correct the mistakes. எங்கேயாவது மிஸ்டேக் நடக்கும். மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸில் கால்குலேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் மிஸ்டேக் இல்லாமல் நீட்டாக மைண்டில் ரீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு எழுத ஆரம்பிங்க. இன்கேஸ் ஏதாவது மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இருந்தால் கரெக்ஷன் எப்படி பண்ணணும்னா அவாய்ட் circling errors. Don't circle the errors. Instead, neatly strike through the mistakes using 3 to 4 pencil lines. So pencil use பண்ணுங்க mistakes correct பண்ண. Write ஒரு line, 2 line, and then 3 to 4 lines ஒரே இதை strike பண்ணிட்டு leave it off. Don't just do drawing, circle இதெல்லாம் எதுவுமே பண்ணாதீங்க. நீட்டாக strike பண்ணுங்க. முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் mistakes avoid பண்ணுங்க. So I gave you the 5 tips. Now following these practices, what happens? The examiner will closely check presentation while evaluating answer sheets. So இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு significant scores improve பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். Additionally, students are advised to practice competency focused questions before the exams. So competency focused questions exams க்கு முன்னாடி கொஞ்சம் prepare பண்ணிக்கோங்க. This helps in understanding questions patterns, difficulty levels, and ensures better preparation to navigate the board exams confidently. So children, be confident. நல்லா prepare பண்ணிட்டு but small mistakes presentation சரியா இல்லாம the examiner may just take it as yet another paper to prove yourself as a cut above the rest. Follow these tips. For more tips, this is Shafia from Shine Tuition Academy at Chennai. We are having 2 branches with all PhD teachers. Also started my career counseling sessions. That's going to be a really yet another tremendous, fantastic year. See you guys. Bye-bye.